friends, welcome back to my channel.
Mahi and Ruhi.
Yesterday I got this boat headphone box. Sometimes I use this to listen music. But don't think I'm going to review this. As I am a creative person, I'm going to make something interesting out of it.
Interesting. Wow.
Let's open it. You see this? By looking at this paper, I thought of an owl. It does look like an owl. So I thought, why not make an owl mask? Just like my fox eye mask, which I made earlier. And if you did not watch that video, the link is in the description box.
Let's start crafting. First, I will trace out the face of the mask. The cheeks should be a little round in shape, just like I am doing. Now I will cut it out properly like this.
Cut.
It's time to trace out the feathers. I will put the face cutout on a white page to know that how I have to make the feathers. Make it a little pointy at the edge of it. Be careful not to move the face cutout or the feathers will become bad. And now let's cut it out. And look, it perfectly fits on the face. I have made a line on the feathers so that I know where to stick the face. Let's color the feathers rainbow because my sister loves rainbow color.
So friends, look, I have colored the feather using Dom's aqua pens. To give feather texture, I used lighter and darker shades. And I really love these colors because there are 24 shades and every color has their lighter and darker shade. It comes in a plastic box which I have converted into a laptop. And if you did not watch that video, the link is in the description box. So go watch that first.
Let's stick the feather onto the face like this. I will use the cutout face to measure the eyebrows. Let's make the feather of the eyebrows. And I again made the eyebrows pointy. Later, I colored the eyebrows and stick it on the face. I also added the nose and upper feathers and it finally looked like this.
I added some pearl stickers to make it more sparkly. I made all the feathers rainbow color to make it more bright and colorful. And I used darker shade of the marker to give feather texture. And it is done. I also added elastic here. Friends, I'll show you magic. From this side, it looks like a young female owl. But from this side, it looks like an old male owl. Wow! Isn't it funny? They both look just like owls. This look like a magical one and this look like an ordinary common one. Okay, now let's wear it. I'm so excited. Oh, this side I look old, but I also look scary. But from this side,